So to move all this stuff into a controller, we first need to make the controller class or the controller file. So back in the command line, we want to firstly just terminate this job. So we'll press Control C and press yes. So now the application has stopped running. We can then use the Adonis command once again, and we'll type in Adonis make controller and then game. That will make a new game controller. We'll press enter and we see we have options. We want to choose the one that says HTTP requests. Press enter. There we are. So now we have a new file in that directory or that path right there. We can then start serving again. So we'll just press up twice, press enter, and now the application is once again running. Now back in the editor, we can open up that new file inside the application or the app directory under controllers, HTTP, and GameController.js. We'll open it and we see a pretty simple class. Inside here, we need to make a new method. This will be called render. So we'll type out render, and for the parentheses, once again, we need to get access to the request instance. So putting two curly braces and then request inside of here gets us this information. Now for the method body, we literally are just going to copy and paste everything from the roots file. So we can copy it all, or I guess we can cut it all, Control X or Command X, and paste it inside here. We'll just tab that in nice and neatly, and that's all. All that code is now inside the controller. But now we need to say, okay, when the user goes on the site, we want to run this method. We want to call this method. So back in the roots file, we can get rid of the function call in this root, okay, and instead here put a string, and we're going to put GameController.render. There we are. So now this method is called when a user goes to the website. We can now refresh the page, and hopefully we see the same result, and we do. So the game still works as normal. We'll finally get them matched one day, hopefully sometime very soon, because there we are. Okay, that's done. So now we have a nice looking simple roots file and quite a more beefed up controller with some logic inside here. That's what we want. In the next video, I'll be speaking about how we can render some HTML and make the output look a bit nicer.